Hi, welcome to my new unboxing video. So today we have here shoes. I got some shoes from Aliexpress, and this is Balenciaga, Gucci and Alexander McQueen sneakers. So let's start with this open one. Okay, so this first one is Gucci slip-on sneakers. They look pretty genuine to me. So it's all leather, like 100% real leather, totally, and they completely look like genuine. I mean, with all this logo, with all these tags, Gucci inside on the leather. So, and this is like 100% leather, and this is size 36. It's like American 6. Okay, they look cute. I mean, it's all kind of small, but it's usual thing for any stuff that come from China. So this is slip-on, and this is the second one. So basically, I think since I have several genuine Gucci bags with the same pattern and leather, this one looks a little bit more like lighter in color for me, because the original one looks a little bit darker. But I'm not sure about the shoes. Probably they do shoes from, I don't know, different leather. But let me show you how the real one from this look like. So this is my bag, and this is genuine Gucci bag, and this is the same pattern, but as you can see, it's completely light, and this like classic Gucci style. So I have several bags and they all like this. I'm not sure about shoes. Actually, I never got before shoes, this style shoes like with this leather. Usually I have like white sneakers from Gucci, but I need to I think I need to just look online and make sure if it's really looks like this, if it's that light. But anyway, they look so cute, and they're super comfortable. They looks very, I mean, it's not gonna be super hard to walk in this. They're super light, and they're really made very well, so I like it. And I like this. It says Gucci on the back. This Gucci classics piece of fabric here. Yeah, they look cute. I mean, it's a lot of smell, but they look very nice. I'm not sure about if this real one that light like this one, or maybe this is just the copy. So the second one in this package is Alexander McQueen sneakers. Yep. So this is a classic one, Alexander McQueen. I guess everyone see it everywhere, like everyone's wearing it. So it's size 36 as well. It says Alexander McQueen here. It says Alexander McQueen on inside. It says made in Italy. So, and on the tongue as well it says Alexander McQueen. And actually they look pretty genuine to me. This is the original sole, how it's made, it's supposed to be, and here it says Alexander McQueen as well. So I choose this royal blue color because I'm kind of like a fan of this color. I guess I have everything in this color, so they look nice. I mean, look a little bit bigger probably, but let me try this one and see how it is. No, actually it's completely good. So 36 for whoever's just wearing 6. So I basically wear 6, or kind of like wear 5.5. It all depends. Like Christian Louboutin, I wear like 5.5, and Gucci like 5.5. So it all depends. But what I'm saying is just real sizes, and I just need to remember that this one is Chinese sizes most likely. They look bigger, but they actually very cute. So I just was about to buy a real one for like 500 something. It's like 490 and about 500 it's gonna be with all these taxes. So I just was about to buy a real one and then realized, let me try to buy first maybe fake and see how I really like this style, how it's easy to walk, because I walk a lot and like riding bicycles. So we'll see how this works and then maybe buy the real thing in different colors or something. So and the third one, okay, so Gucci, Alexander McQueen, and the third one, of course, Balenciaga. I guess everyone first thing that they buy from all these Aliexpress stores is Balenciaga sneakers. So this one looks just so amazing. I mean, look at this quality. It says Balenciaga here like it's supposed to be. All these things, they seem to be made really, really well. I mean, it doesn't look like it's gonna just fall apart or something. They made super good. I mean, I have no idea how a real one looks because I actually never was super crazy about these huge sneakers from Balenciaga until recently, so I never even looked at the real one in a store. So, and this one looks pretty genuine to me. I mean, if I can compare this one with real ones and I can compare this one with real ones, I can't compare this one because I never even wanted to buy this one until recently. Then I start liking this huge sneaker style. So this one, they have like different colors. I mean, like all the colors they supposed to be. It says triple S here. Balenciaga here like says everything is correct, all the letters there they're supposed to be, and they look so adorable. I was thinking about just to buy blue ones, but then I just realized, okay, I have this pink Burberry jacket, so this one should be super cool for full time when I'm gonna wear this jacket. So, and the blue one is like my favorite, and I have like everything in this color, so I decided to pick this one. I wanted first of all like to buy this gray one, just gray one, or just blue one, and with clear like sole, but then I don't know, kind of fall in love in this one. So basically in this package I had this free pair of shoes, and let's talk about prices. So all these sneakers came from Aliexpress, and this time I had no idea who the seller is. I just found out, I was just looking around, so, and I found this one like without any sign, everything, just I knew it's kind of like fake Balenciaga supposed to be. So I texted them on Aliexpress and asked if they can just show me real pictures. So they sent me link to WhatsApp. So and WhatsApp I texted them, so they sent me pictures of Balenciaga, whatever I was looking for. Then I asked them, they never had anything like Gucci on the website, so I asked them, do you have maybe Gucci style? So they sent me a link to their website, and they had like they have a lot of different colors, different styles, like, and different brands. So I picked whatever I want, told them, and also I wanted to get like DHL shipping because I needed all of this stuff like by September because I'm going on a vacation. And but they told me like, don't worry, there's still time till September. So it was like about, let me see when I actually bought these styles. So it was August 4. So August 4, and I guess August they like shipped it out about a week after that. So August 4 I paid for all of these items, and I wanted DHL. They told me like there is no need for DHL, there is still time till September. All our stuff usually get to United States for 2 weeks, and I said, okay, if you can promise it's gonna be here by September, and then it's fine. So I didn't pay any extra for shipping, even if I wanted to. So let's see the prices. So the most expensive sneakers, of course, from all of this free is this Balenciaga. So the price is $73.68. Okay, so this is it. And then the second pair was okay, $63.15. These Alexander McQueen's, they $63.15. And this one a little bit cheaper for $60.15. They look super cute actually. I guess it's completely similar to originals. Okay, so $60, $63, and $73. No shipping, so everything was total about $197 that I paid on Aliexpress. They do it like from security measures. I pay like for some kind of like for some boots and sneakers, like unbranded completely, and they just send you the real whatever you expect. So basically I bought it on August 4. They shipped like about August 10, 11th, and today is August 27. So basically it was 2 weeks until I get all these shoes as expected and as expected and as promised. So I hope you enjoyed. And so also just to remind that all of this complete leather, so all this is made from the same complete leather that original stuff. So here basically it's all these parts like suit, these parts and this leather, all this fabric and all this, I don't know, rubber or whatever it's called. It's all like original Balenciaga style. I mean Balenciaga made fabric and leather, and this one is completely leather as well. So this is like white leather, and here suit is real leather as well. So it's, and even the sole, like in the original ones, it's all complete leather. So the same about this one, it's all leather, and it looks super cute, and I really actually like all of the shoes, and the size is pretty fits true. So they all 36, and I wear 36 in European sizes, and I wear like 6 and 5.5 on US size. I hope you enjoyed unpacking this video, and I'll see you soon with another Balenciaga shoes to unpack, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.